Good morning, everyone. Get out your maracas or shakers. It's time for story time with Miss Vicky. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, dear friends. Good morning to you. Good job. Let's sing the wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Good job. You did such a good job on the wheels on the bus. Let's do ABCs now. I want to hear everybody sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good work. Play your maracas with me. We are going to do the maraca song. We shake our maracas together, together, together. We shake our maracas together because it's fun to do. We hit the floor together, together, together. We hit the floor together because it's fun to do. We hit our knees together, together, together. We hit our knees together because it's fun to do. We shake them up high. We shake them down low. We shake them in the middle, and in the bins they go. Welcome, everybody. I'm so glad you could join me for story time. Today's story time is about farm animals. Did you know that a lot of animals are born in the spring? Well, my very first story is about 10 chirpy chicks. Do you know there are babies, chicks, and who would the parents be? Did you say a chicken? You are right. So we have 10 chirpy chicks. Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 chirpy chicks. Let's find out about them. 10 chirpy chicks out walking in a line. One joins some puppies in the bright sunshine. 9 friendly chicks, all quickly skipping by. One stays with a pig, rolling in his sty. 8 happy chicks are singing, cheep, cheep, cheep. One wanders off to chatter with some sheep. 7 chirping chicks, now hearing noisy neigh. One stops near a horse in the golden hay. 6 noisy chicks are searching for some seeds. One meets a frog and hops off through the reeds. 5 fluffy chicks see a goat munching on leaves. One skips away to play among the trees. 4 playful chicks are having lots of fun. One stays with the cat, snoozing in the sun. 3 silly chicks hopping through the shed. One hears a cow moo and joins her instead. 2 small chicks see a blackbird in a tree. One stays behind to chit-chat happily. 1 little chick Knows it's getting late. Looking for his friends, he hops through the gate. And we see 10 little chicks, all back where they belong. Happy to be home, they chirp a cheerful song. Cheep, 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 cheep. And that's the end of 10 chirping chicks. Let's get out our two little chicks. Two little chicks playing on a hill. One named Jack and the other named Jill. Hop away, Jack. Hop away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Now our little chicks are going to be looking at a cloud. One named Soft, the other named Loud. You ready? Two little chicks looking at a cloud. One named Soft and the other named Loud. Hop away, Soft. Hop away, Loud. Come back, Soft. Come back, Loud. Good job with that. All right, we're going to do a little bouncing rhyme now. If you have a lap to sit on, straddle their knees, get a little bounce and clap along with me. Are we ready? Mother and father and Uncle John went to town one by one. Mother fell off. Woo! Father fell off. Woo! But Uncle John went on and on and on and on and on. Again, mother and father and Uncle John went to town one by one. Mother fell off. Woo! Father fell off. Woo! But Uncle John went on and on and on and on and on. Good work. Okay. My very next story is Pete the Cat. And he happens to be a farmer today for Old MacDonald. If you know that song, you can help me sing the story. Okay, let's get that book out. Here's Pete the Cat. He's on a tractor. Pete the Cat. Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a roof, roof here and a roof, roof there, here, roof, everywhere, roof, roof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Good job. That's one of my favorite songs, and there's so many farm animals in it. In fact, there's a few more. I made it a little bit of shorter because we have just a limited time of story time. But if you get the book out at the library, you can read about all the animals. There's goats and frogs and all sorts of wonderful animals in that book. All right. If you have some type of a little towel or a scarf, you can play this next game with me. Okay, get out your scarf or a nice little dishcloth or something, or a washcloth or a hand towel. They will all work. And I'm going to move this back a little bit, and we're going to stand for this activity. So everybody stand up. I'm going to make this up higher so that everybody can see. Okay, I have a little scarf, and I can do opposites with my scarf. I can comb my head Or on my toes, I can go very fast and very slow. I can go high. I can go low. I can go in front and I can go in back. I can even go near, far, and I can make it go, 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 stop. Let's try to get go, 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 stop. Go, stop. Go, stop. And I can crunch it in a ball and toss it in the air and catch it. Can you do that? Good job. Okay. That was so much fun to play with scarves or a towel, whatever you had with you. Okay, I have one more little story about baby animals. And let's see if we can get it down so that you can see the storybook with me. Okay, I think that's a good setting. All right, we have, where is my baby? And you can guess the animals. What animal do I have here? A cow. Good job. And then the baby animal says something, and you can help me with the animal sounds, okay? What animal do we have? A chicken? You're right. Where is my baby? Clucks the chicken. Where is my chick? What did chick say? Beep, 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 beep. Now what animal do we have? Pig. Where is my baby? Here's my baby piglet. A duck. Where is my baby? Do you remember what baby ducks are called? We talked about it last week. Here is my duckling. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, this is the new animal. Can you guess what it is? Did you say goat? You're right. Where is my baby? Here is my kid. Did you know that baby goats are called kids? And they say, ma, ma. Where is my baby? Says the cow. Do you know what a baby cow is called? Did you say calf? Here is my calf. Where is my baby? What do we have here? A sheep? Do you remember what baby sheeps are called? Here is my lamb. Where is my baby? Says the cat. Here is my kitten. And that's the end of Where is My Baby? All right, I thought it might be fun to do a color picture of a farm with some beautiful farm animals. So if you're going to download this page, you can color it too. Let's do our animals now in our ending song. When the dog gets up in the morning, he always says, woof. When the dog gets up in the morning, he always says, woof, woof. This is a new one. Can you guess what it is? A rooster. It says, oh. When the rooster gets up in the morning, he always says, when the rooster gets up in the morning, he always says, cuckoo. And then the girl version of the chicken, do you remember what she is? Did you say hen? When the hen gets up in the morning, she always says, cluck. When the hen gets up in the morning, she always says, cluck, cluck. This is an easy one. Cow. When the cow gets up in the morning, he always says, moo. When the cow gets up in the morning, he always says, moo, moo. When the horse gets up in the morning, he always says, neigh. When the horse gets up in the morning, he always says, neigh, neigh. Last one, and it's a baby. It's a baby duckling. Can you guess it's going to be a duck? When the duck gets up in the morning, he always says, quack. When the duck gets up in the morning, he always says, quack, quack. Good job with that song. It was so much fun doing all the animal songs and all the animal sounds. Let's get out of feet now. We're going to do our ending song and we're going to have to get ready for our feet to kick. Are you ready? Can you kick with 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet? Can you kick with 2 feet? Kick, 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 kick. Can you wiggle 10 fingers, 10 fingers, 10 fingers? Can you wiggle 10 fingers? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Can you clap with 2 hands, 2 hands, 2 hands? Can you clap with 2 hands? Clap, 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 clap. Can you nod with 1 head, 1 head, 1 head? Can you nod with 1 head? Nod, 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 nod. Can you kiss with 2 lips? Blow a kiss. 2 lips, 2 lips. Can you kiss with 2 lips? Kiss, 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 kiss. Can you wave bye, 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 bye? Can you wave bye, 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 bye? Goodbye, everyone. I'm so glad you could join me for story time, and we'll see you again next week.